significantly.
Sanlam Kenya has posted a 317 million shillings full-year profit for the financial year ended December 31st, 2016, compared to 54 million shillings it reported in a similar period in 2015. The company attributes the performance to a significant improvement on its general insurance business, which recorded a 95% reduction in loss underwritings. Sanlam had in December withdrawn an initial profit warning it had issued in what the company now says was due to fresh assessments of its life insurance business. Elsewhere, Nzoia Sugar Company has disbursed over 900 million shillings to farmers who supply it with sugarcane. This comes at a time when the miller has been facing pressure from its contracted farmers to meet its end of the bargain. According to Macklin Swasike, the farm's agricultural officer, Nzoia had only delayed payments for the period covering January and February of this year. Finally, the Retirement Benefits Authority (RBA) has appointed Nzomo Mutuku as the acting chief executive officer with effect from 1st of April this year. Mutuku replaces long-serving CEO Edward Odundo, whose term comes to an end this month. Odundo has held the position since May 2002 and is credited for growing the country's pensions industry. Denis Otieno, Citizen TV.